This video is going to be about the Ulanzi versus the SmallRig GoPro camera cage. I went on a snowboarding trip to Japan. I tried both of them and realized there is a big problem with SmallRig cage. It's a small thing, but it's really annoying. So if you are thinking of buying either the Ulanzi or SmallRig, I would actually go with the Ulanzi. Reasons being, it's heavier, it's more expensive, and these screws are annoying. You know what, when you're in the mountain, you're trying to screw these things open. Like right now, why is this thing stuck? I don't know. But think about doing that in the cold weather when you're wearing gloves. You're trying to make sure that your friends are not waiting for you and you're trying to get these open. That's the biggest reason why I hated this so much. The Ulanzi, on the other hand, it is very simple and easy to use. You basically take this out, you press this, swipe that open, you do that, you put the side plate on, and you mount it wherever you want to. Of course, you need to put the other cage in, but with this, you're going to be playing around with these screws, and they're going to be a pain in the ass pretty much. So, it was very annoying, let's just say that. The original problem that I had with the Ulanzi was that if I were to put a mic on the side, it would actually, go like that. But I came up with a pretty nice solution for that, which is 2 rubber bands together, or 1 if you can find it long enough. I just found these 2, and it stays up and running pretty nice, and I'm pretty happy with how that worked out. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys my afterthought on which one I think is better. The idea on this one is great, modularity and all that, but the usability sucks with it. So that is why the Ulanzi is the better of the 2.